Cheers! In this part 7 of our platformer series, we will fix 3 bugs. The first of these is like how the player can be teleported right up when touching a wall. Let me show you what I mean. Now did you see that? Just by touching the wall, I have been teleported right up. This could be the whole reason why I made this video. Now bring the fix overlap definition downwards. And then separate only the change Y by and blow it from the when flag click script. Make a new custom block named move-in-steps. Then make a new input named steps. Might as well take the round with that screen refresh. Then put this custom block in some free space and we're ready to code. Add a repeat block. Repeating for the number of steps that we're going to take. Make a new variable named last value. Make it for this sprite only, and then after making this variable in the repeat loop, set last value to, where is that? Oh, set it to the Y position. Now, change Y by speed Y divided by steps. Then, bring back the if for the collision check, but remove the call for the fixed overlap block. And sorry, this touching door block was me trying to do something. You make it only touching level. Then, in it, set Y to the last value. Also, set speed Y to 0. Now, let's test it and oh, we didn't call the move-in-steps block. Call the move-in-steps block at the end of the when flag click script and enter the abs of speed Y as the number of steps that we're going to take. Testing again, and perfect, no. Now it is a good time to make the horizontal collisions. Now let's separate this code in the repeat steps block so we can compare as we code. Or let's just duplicate it. I'm a lazy thing to do it again. Now just switch the Y positions to be X positions and the speed Y's to be speed X's. And done. Now before flying and testing like a ping, we should put the Y collision checks back below the X collision checks. Now find the call for the move in steps block and then change the steps input to be the absolute value of speed x plus the absolute value of speed y. Remove the change x by speed x above the move in steps block. Testing again. Yay! The collision bug is fixed. With this bug fixed, you can put back the vertical level code. Why not? Now to show the second bug, I need to edit the Danger Sprite's costumes. Now why didn't it go up? Oh, I edited the second scene's costumes. After editing the first scene's costumes, now jump right under this platform. Now did you see that I can stick my head there? We will cover how to fix this bug while fixing the third bug too. Now the third bug is that we can still fly by holding the jump key. Do you remember episode 1? There is links to the older episodes. Everything is linked in the description below. To fix this, make a new variable named falling. Make sure it is for this sprite only. Now, in the beginning of the move in steps block, change falling by 1. And when we set speed y to 0, also set falling to 0. Make a quick test to make sure nothing has went wrong. We can still move around and pow! Now scroll back up to where we check if the up arrow is pressed. Then surround the set speed y to jump force with a if check. Checking for if falling is less than 3. Testing again. Now you know that is much better, you know. Now to fix the stuck to ceiling bug. To fix that, surround the set falling to 0 with a if check. Make sure to move it above the set speed y to 0, checking whether speed y is less than 0. Oops! Let me edit the Dangerous Pirates costumes again. There we go. All the 3 bugs are fixed. And you know what, guys? Just click the subscribe and like buttons. You know, you'll support me. And also, to support me further, if you have been following this series, please submit your projects to the studio that I linked in the description. Everything is there, and I also linked my Scratch profile so that you can come in, check my other games. And see you next time.